Hello everyone, Diane Gordon, London Living Real Estate. Well, the market has been brisk, however, it's August. We have seen multiple offers, not as many offers in the multiple offer, and we have seen other homes sit on the market for 7 days, 10 days, average is 9 days. Speaking of the market, we're coming into the fall market, which makes me think about fall cleanup. Well, in July, 6 weeks ago, I had a gardening mishap. And believe me, gardening mishaps are all over the place. I lacerated my right leg, and you can see the photo attached. It is a little gruesome, so you don't really need to open it. And then the other of how I am today. But in talking with my clients, I learned a lot. I'm not the only one. So please see my lovely attire here. This is Gardening 101 and 5 tips. Please wear a hat to shade your face. Safety glasses in case there's a nasty branch that's going to hit you in the eye, and or anything that's going to fly out of the garden, mulch, whatever. Gloves, the protectors. I got these at Tucky Home Hardware. Don't leave home without them. And rubber boots. If I had been wearing boots in my garden, I never would have been attacked by the bush I did. A couple of other things. Sunscreen, bug repellent, and antihistamine. You could touch something in your garden and have an allergic reaction. So please, fall cleanup is coming, and it's not for the faint at heart. Please protect yourself. Hat, safety glasses, gloves, boots, and the other items. Diane Gordon, London Living Real Estate. Please, please, don't hesitate to call me for any real estate advice or first aid tips now. I have become an expert. Diane Gordon, 519-902-0867, or shoot me an email, dg@llre.ca. Stay safe.